Welcome back and thank you for supporting my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be demystifying the line of code if name is equals to main in Python. This line is commonly seen in Python scripts, but what does it actually do? Let's break it down. The line if name equals to main is used to check whether a Python script is being run directly or if it is being imported as a module into another script. So let's start with writing a Python script. As you can see on my screen, I have created two Python files, myscript.py and the second is another script.py. First of all, we will work with myscript.py. So let's write some code. I will write a method. So def fun1 and I will print okay. I will print hello world here. Let's execute this code. Let me open a new and I will write python 3 and then the name of the file my underscore script dot py. As you already know, we haven't called this function one in this Python script. We only defined the function. That is why hello world is not printed. So let's call this function fun1 and now execute the Python script. And as you can see on screen, hello world is printed. Now let's go to another script, which is this, and I will import myscript.py, myscript.py, and if I execute another script.py, then it will write hello world on the terminal. So let me execute that. Python 3 another underscore script dot py and press enter. As you can see, hello world is printed. Now if we want to restrict that, if I am importing my script.py into another script, then it should not directly run the content of the code of the myscript.py. Then we can write if name equals to main condition on this original script. That will restrict another script.py to directly execute the code of myscript.py. So let me write that line. If the line is if, let me write underscore name underscore equals to main. After that, I will call the function fun1 and let's execute this file. Python 3 and the name of the script is my underscore script dot py and press enter. As you can see, hello world is printed. Now if I run this another script, which is this, so let me execute this and it will not print hello world on my screen. Python 3 another script dot py. Let me go here and press enter. As you can see on screen, hello world is not printed. So if we want to restrict a second script to run the code of the myscript.py, then we can use if name is equals to main condition check into our myscript.py, and then if we import myscript.py into another script, then it will not execute the code directly. So the line if name equals to main is used to check whether a Python script is being run directly or if it is being imported as a module into another script. Thank you very much.